Hey, Mark Nelson from marknelsononline.com. What is affiliate marketing and how do you do affiliate marketing? That's what I'm going to answer today. Today I'm coming to you from my pontoon, and I'm doing it for a reason, because affiliate marketing paid for my pontoon and many other things. But before I get into the subject, if this is the first time you are on my channel, hit that subscribe button and hit that little bell. Cool. So what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is probably one of the easiest ways for a newbie to make money. So what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is basically where you get to sell somebody else's product. See, when I was brand new, I had no clue how to make a product. I didn't have an ebook. I didn't have something to sell. So I sold somebody else's product. Now, how cool is that? And you get to make commissions. There's really three basic niches for affiliate marketing. There's health and wellness, there's wealthiness or making money, and then there's relationships. I got a boat coming at me. I'm seeing if they're going to come in and get in on the picture. But anyway, so you get to pick which one you want to do. And so how do you do affiliate marketing? Most people, I tell you the easiest, you do not have to have your own website or your own blog, but most people will. And most people have what they call a capture page, and then most people have an autoresponder, and there's a reason for that. What happens to a capture page is people, and I'm sure you've seen it, people will come onto a page, and usually for something for free, they'll put their name and email in. And then that name and email goes to an autoresponder, and you send them an email thanking them and giving them a free product, and you either try to, at that time, upsell them or sell them an affiliate product. Now, there's other ways to do it, because you do not have to try to sell right away. You can start trying to do what we say, build a know, like, and trust factor. See, when people start getting to know you and liking you and trusting you, that's when they start purchasing from you. That's the easiest way to do affiliate marketing. Now, I have a system that I use where I got my affiliate products from, and if you'd like to know what that is, just reach out and I'll certainly tell you. It's actually going to be in the description below, because that also gives you capture pages, and then you can get an autoresponder from there. However, you can go to Clickbank, JVZoo, they're free. You have to make an account, and then you go look in your niches to see which is the product or what are the products you want to market. They'll tell you the commission rate that you get to make. Some are 100%. Usually there's a partial of what you can make. And then what you do is start marketing these products. You start bringing traffic to your capture page so they can get on your email list, and usually through an email list you can start marketing products. Now, I also do sell products through my blogs. I sell products through my YouTube videos. Imagine that. I use these videos to help build up a profit for myself. So, in a nutshell, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is marketing products that aren't yours to make a commission to the people on your list. That is probably the easiest and best way to do it. How do you do it? I just explained it. You're going to need a capture page, because you need to build a list of people who you can market to. Now, once you get that going, you can go on Clickbank or JVZoo, and then there's some other ones I think that are out there. Those are the ones I've used. And find products in your niche. And again, there's three niches, right? There's health and wellness, which is a huge one. Becoming wealthy or making money, another huge one. And then there's relationships. All three people do extremely well in. Hey, I got something free for you. If you want to see a capture page and see how it works, I'll put it in the description below, but I have a free PDF on the 6 daily activities that you need to be doing every day to grow your business. In there, I actually have a checklist of things you can check off every day as you do them daily. So you can go to marknelsononline.com, 6 daily steps. Again, I'm going to have it in the description below. Hit that subscription button, hit that bell so you get notifications, and let's make money being an affiliate marketer. So hope you understood what an affiliate marketer is, and now you know how to do affiliate marketing. You take care. Hey, have you seen my hat? Captain Awesome. That was given to my son. You all take care. Bye.